Hello, my name is Soraya Gadit, and I am the CEO and founder of InnoCrowd. We have solved challenges from big companies like BASF, Bosch, and Volkswagen, for example. Our main customers are SMEs and big companies that need to use open innovation to solve their challenges. I have been a pharmacist for over 20 years, and also I have an MBA in management and finance. And using the power of InnoCrowd, I know I can reach my goal, which is to find a cure for cancer. InnoCrowd is an open innovation platform, Web 2.0, with artificial intelligence and machine learning that connects the brightest minds of the world, researchers and startups, with companies that need innovative solutions with just one click. We have 1.6 million researchers and startups. We call them solvers in our platform. We can find solutions in 4 to 6 weeks, and we have a rate of success of 95%. Our business model is very simple. We charge 5,000 euros for a company to submit a challenge in our platform. After 60 days, for a company to see the solutions, we charge them 10,000 euros. We have a very energetic, passionate, and enthusiastic team. They know what they are doing. One example of one challenge that we have solved, it was from a very big railway station here in Portugal. They had a challenge for 21 years. They wanted us to detect people that were using the railway without buying a ticket. But the challenge was to detect those people, but without recognizing faces. So InnoCrowd was able to solve this challenge in 60 days, a challenge that this railway had for 21 years. So thank you, and please do vote in us. We are not going to let you down.